Alright, what's the combo gonna be? Wait. Oh wait, no. It's crap.
Oh dang it.
Oh, come on, I don't have weak.
I know, I thought it was big. I thought it was gonna be big, so I let it go. The weirdest burp.
Oh my god. That's weak.
I can make a better one without.
I win. Hands down, I win. Not yet.
Oh, dang it! They always feel big, but then they're not.
Oh.
Oh damn, that's the one that you already had. It was mine, then you drank it.
I'm sorry.
I'm piling mine.
Wait. No, that wasn't good at all.
That was pathetic. What? I think I got one.
Dude, I'm gonna like throw up.
No.
Another. Wait. Weak.
I'm like too sick to open them.
We have another? Chop it. Just I'm scared. Oh, it was so weak.
I know, it felt big. I could have sworn that was gonna be. I would have bet money, big money. I would have bet all my money. I don't got a lot of money. I got $15.
Oh.
I got 3 5s. My name's paid me $5 every week. Oh yeah, I'm gonna buy more of these. To pile up. Okay,
do
she is
that?
a freaking. Oh my god.
I win. Oh my god, that was funny.
Macy wins. Macy chased her
I
tail.
want to do that again.
Let's have a talent contest.
She's like. Queenie, you're so gay.
Stop it! So disgusting.
I'm gonna throw up a bunch of brown. Just get out of it. Alright, ready?
Can't get it
I'm
out.
drinking this can and haven't burped water.
That's why you're not in the contest. Justin, move! I'm not in the camera.
I'm making the pyramid.
Oh, I spilled it on me.